welcome back to our channel. I'm Keely and this is
Badger.
We are going to listen to some music today. It's a dialysis day and I'm wiped out, so we're hanging out in my room. Alright, Badger, are you ready to listen to some awesome music today?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Do you want to start with the classic rock or the K-pop, J-pop one?
The K-pop one.
Okay, Badger has chosen. All right, so you guys know I already watched a video by XG, Woke Up. We're going to listen to another song by XG, which they're not a K-pop band. They're like an international group. So they're a group with people from Japan, Korea. They're just for everybody. And I think they are some badass bees and I love them. So I'm excited to show Badger some more songs from XG. Also guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And the best way to support our channel is to become a member. There will be a bunch of special members only content. You'll get special priority for song requests, members only lives, members only videos, fun things like that. So go ahead and check it out. You can find it on the membership tab on my profile on my channel. All right, Badger, do you want to say anything? You ready to start?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. All right, guys, let's go ahead and listen to XG. I believe it's called Howling. You ready? Mm-hmm. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. They have the coolest videos. Ooh.
First we rockin', that's how we roll.
I love her. She's the one that shaved her head in the last video.
No sticks and stones. Lights go out and my pack just grow. Opposition, my prey, my foes. Game hunger, bring that smoke. You want no smoke. Thanks up. Attack on three, that's a man down. I've been throwing these balls like a handout. Too many captain, I be losing head count. Sit a red dot. I like to cook, so I humble my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger. If I too wolf, then it must be a killer. Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer. Way out when it fades out, can hide in the dark.
They're so talented. Her voice is so pretty. I love this. Whoa, dragon's cool.
Moonwalk on a rooftop like a wolf. I move like Nat Geograph with a zoom shot. Hoorah, huddle up, bring in the
Holy cow, I love this.
Not for you to reenact. First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Cut the throw, got the goal. Rewind the video, do it when you get it, run it back. You unleash the beast. Call it Wolfgang cause we back to beast. Call it first hand, a new type of breed. Never sees, I got mouths to feed.
They're so cool.
Sound of a couple thousand albums. Now to feel surrounded. I move with hours. Broke like a group of wilders. No choice but to choose the violence.
Her makeup, Badger, look how pretty that is. This reminds me of old school J-pop kind of. Like Ayumi, Amazaki. I like this, it's more chill. Kind of reminds me of Kodakumi a little bit too. I'm definitely putting this on my playlist on Spotify. It's in my rotation now. Whoa. Is that it? I loved that. What'd you think, Badger?
Yes.
Yes. It was a little more like low key, but I really liked it. It was like chill. And Badger, you know how like how good of a command you have to have over the English language to rap like that?
That's crazy.
Yeah, like that's really impressive. I love XG. You guys leave in the comments what other XG songs we should listen to, because like I love them. I think they're like my favorite girl group so far. What do you think, Badger?
That was pretty cool.
Yeah, that was amazing. I love that. Okay, guys. Well, that was so much fun. Thanks for recommending XG. I'm loving them. Leave in the comments what we should listen to next, and we will see you in our next video. Okay, bye.